Late summer greetings from Canadian Mennonite University. You know, there's always more than one thing going on. There are good things, tough things. You know, each day we all experience a blend of many things, strange things, stunningly beautiful, rather ordinary, and wildly hopeful things. This summer, we're all attuned to the tough things, like forest fires ravaging much of Canada, and disproportionately northern Indigenous communities. And that's just one in a long list of current really tough things. Still, alongside, there's so much good happening as people come together to support evacuated communities. And many are asking old questions in new ways. The question of what is required of me and what is required of all of us to change how we live so healing and well-being can be shared by all. That's the kind of question that's been entrusted to CMU for generations, since long before the dream of this university became a reality. And here are three really good things to celebrate in the reality of what CMU has become. Number one, this week, the province of Manitoba approved CMU's proposal for a Bachelor of Education degree. With delight, we will welcome the program's first cohort of students in August 2026. They will complete their studies by December 27 and be certified teachers in the classroom by January 28. This is huge for CMU, and we're excited about what will happen through the CMU education students who will learn together and then go out there in the classroom throughout Manitoba, across Canada, and far beyond. Number two, before the end of August, student leaders will arrive on campus and move into the totally restored and overhauled Poettcker Hall, complete with the goodness of geothermal heating and cooling and way better systems of air circulation, plumbing, electrical, and overall experience. This has been a massive project, and I'm pleased to report it's been on time and on budget. Now, that doesn't mean it isn't really costly, yet it does mean that we're grateful for outstanding work. And number three, we invite you to celebrate CMU 25 with us on Friday, September 19, whether you attend in person or online. Now, of course, this university is not only 25 years old. CMU's bedrock gives witness to 80-year, 100-year, and 150-year-old institutions and people of faith from which the university emerged. Still, at this 25-year marker, we come together to honor the far-seeing mission and vocation entrusted to CMU and to cultivate healthy soils for the next 25. You'll see a new logo in CMU materials, an emblem of renewal within an enduring entrustment to inspire and equip for lives of service, leadership, and reconciliation in church and society. Thanks for being part of CMU. We invite you to take heart with us as the fall term 2025 gets underway, and as through the good, the tough, the strange, ordinary, and wildly hopeful things, CMU continues to be moved and transformed by the life and teachings of Jesus Christ, who is ever healing and reconciling all things. God bless you and keep you this day and always.